Hey guys, what's up? Another video coming at your way. Made some chicken patties and I made some pork and beans. So chicken patties, spicy chicken patties, or anything you buy at the store, I put into a tortilla and put some mayonnaise in it. And then I cook the tortilla shells on my skillet. They're pretty good. Pork and beans. Got back from the laundry facility earlier, washed some clothes. Get back and cook some food. I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. This would be lunch. Pretty much lunch. Lunchtime. Get the dishes all cleaned off, cleaned up, and then cook some more tonight. Drink up some water to switch it down. It's my new laptop I've got. Bought this for about 170 bucks. Not too bad of a price for a laptop for a device. I use it for my YouTube videos, my editing. Yeah, I figure out what's brightness. Okay. I usually just edit stuff on here and go to YouTube Studio. Adam Savage. That's interesting.
My name is Adam Savage. My channel is Tested, and it is about a little bit of everything, but with a concentration on making things and exploring your.
He's got that AI screen in the background. There's so many different videos and editing videos, and when I get on YouTube Studio, something's always new to watch. Updates on YouTube, updates this, that. I'll be back. Okay. About 4 o'clock right now, and yeah, I bought myself another bike, a 49cc gas powered bike that I could take on the roads. And some of the mini bikes, like my mini bike I have in my shed right now, I'll just sell it for like 450 bucks, get in cash, and someone would buy that mini bike just like that. That's the thing with selling things, and on Facebook Marketplace, or put it outside and say, hey, I'm selling this. Get some cash, and then buy something that can be street legal. You run into issues, you run into problems, but everyone's not perfect, We all have faults. Watching the Boondocks. That's a funny ass show. You're sitting there saying, oh, we lost money, we lost rent money. What kind of money we lost? 1,000. We lost all kinds of money. I've had another phone, but this one I use, and then a laptop, like another device pretty much. Use it to watch movies and use it to edit the stuff. And you can watch how-to videos on here. Let's get my phone mount. I have this phone mount. I have this is the actual phone mount right here. Just attach that to that, screw it in. Okay. There we go. I like the Daredevil and Kingpin fights on here. It's just like the Kingpin is the guy that plays Kingpin plays a good job. Watching YouTube scenes. This Daredevil, the series Daredevil. So I grew up watching all the series, watched all the series on Netflix. But the series always keep coming out, new episodes. With the chicken patties, the spicy chicken patties, I bought some soup, some hot spicy ramen soup. I just try to buy whatever I can. The better will be charged for about maybe 4 hours. They usually charge it for about 4 hours or so. Sometimes I'll sit back and watch movies, watch scenes and stuff like that, but I just gotta be careful with violent stuff. There's a burp for you. I was listening to the DJ beats, like distant Flinlins. I try to always buy tortilla shell whenever I do cook chicken patties. I don't like eating bread too much. I do it sometimes. Your burgers, of course, you need buns. But tortilla shells or flour, one way to keep it from eating so much bread. Because you like chicken patties and sandwiches. Well, you just make a burrito. I usually put lettuce in there and ranch. I'll put mayo. Who doesn't like mayo and chicken sandwich? Usually this phone mount, you have to freaking straighten it out to really straighten it out. A little bit of fiber in your body do some good. Get my spoon and fork. That's about like if you try to ever have peak pork and beans with everything you eat, then you will be able to digest it a little better. So that Celtic Dragon tattoo, had that for over 10 years. Originally, I printed out a tattoo that was more than this one, but this was a 270. So it still looks pretty good. I mean, I keep the original color. I put some paint in there, but putting some paint and some details in there would a little more money. But I like the way it is. I mean, put some red in there or something. Now, I'm going to go back to the kitchen and clean this off. And clean plates off. Make sure you wash the dishes if you're cooking all the time. Okay, done with my dishes. That's out the way. That's the end of the video, guys. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day and have a good night. And watch the shorter videos if you have to. Watch the AI videos because not a lot of people can watch an hour video. My videos used to be pretty short. Well, they are here and there, but then I get into my commentary. But on that note, peace out, guys.